Status check on cold weather gear. All systems nominal, ready to move. Let's get this loaded and move out. Move to the deployment zone. C-130 touchdown, secure the area. Set up the perimeter, let's go. Secure that power line to the main grid. We need full power to the radar array now. Copy that, securing the line. Echo platoon, confirm missile guidance alignment. Guidance aligned, stand by for launch initialization. All teams, move out, establish the perimeter. All right, move the heavy equipment to the perimeter. I need those generators online now. Acknowledged, Commander. Power conduit's connected. Securing the comms tent.
This glacier pass is our primary ingress point.
Satellite imagery confirms heavy mining. We'll deploy.
Our primary objective, establish air defense dominance over the region.
The launch sequence shows a failure point in the hydraulic regions.
The propulsion schematics show a potential instability here.
If we increase the flow rate, we risk structural failure on the casing.
Review the nozzle schematics. We need to ensure the propulsion guidance systems are fully integrated before finalizing the launch sequence parameters.
Look at the gyroscope integration here.
We need to reinforce the housing structure to withstand the Arctic temperatures during ignition sequence.
If we deploy in the Greenland sector, we'll need to recalibrate the cold weather protocols for the propulsion unit.
This exploded view confirms the integration points for the guidance package.
And the power infrastructure can handle the load.
Propulsion output is nominal across all environments.
Check the Arctic simulations again. I still see a 5% drop in efficiency.
Starting disassembly on the launch sequence component, watch the hydraulics.
Pressure levels nominal. Proceed with the panel removal.
Panels clear. Moving to the wiring harness.
Detach the sensor array at junction 7. Copy that.
Moving to the turbofan housing next.
Okay, disconnect the primary conduit right there. Copy that. Detaching the main coupling now. Watch the thermal sensor array when it comes free. Applying counter pressure now. Go ahead and start the extraction sequence. Copy that. Extraction sequence initiated. Initiating disassembly on the casing bolts. Pressure stabilizing. Watch the guidance module interface right there. Disconnect the blue harness first. Confirmed. Moving to the yellow wire resistance check now. The guidance chip shows signs of thermal stress. Agreed. Logging the anomaly now. Recommend immediate replacement and recalibration. Verify the conduit connection here. Secure. Readings stable. System shows green, ready for sequence. Cycle complete, green light on console. Copy that. Primary ignition sequence verified.
The cold weather performance is still marginal on Bank 3.
We need to adjust the heating coils before the next launch window.
Data review is complete. Unit 25 is green for system checks.
Structure is sound.
Verify these harness connections against the schematic before we power up.
Check the connection panel on the left stack.
Panel secured. Running diagnostics now. Scan complete, all systems green. Secure the conduit. Tightening the spec. Verified continuous power flow.
All right, team, let's review the thermal sighting system calibration sequence.
Step 1. Power up the Fly-R and run the internal diagnostics.
Maintain situational awareness on the southern ridge. Use the thermal sights to scan for movement. Input the grid coordinates for target sector Gamma 12.
Confirmed, dialing in the elevation now.
Readings look stable.
Commander, stabilization systems are green. We are maintaining bearing despite the ice pack.
Good. Keep it steady. We approach the waypoint in 3 mics.
Bravo 6, this is 1-1. Moving to objective waypoint 3.
Solid copy, 1-1. Pushing forward.
Halt tracking vehicle 1. Prepare to disengage winch. Winch disengaged. Moving to secure position.
Injector seated. Hand off the torque wrench. Torque wrench up. Setting it spec. Tightened. Ready for pressure test. All right, secure the intake valve before we disconnect the line.
Roger that.
Fuel pump is clear for removal. Maintenance complete, ready for transport. All right, guided up the ramp. Steady now. Secure the chains on the left side. Roger that. Tightening the binders now. All green, Loadmaster, she's secure. Easy, easy, watch the ramp. Set the brake now, hold position. Secure that latch on the side skirt. Tightening the bolts now. Overhead crane, move into position. All right, hold it steady. Keep it centered on the dolly. Secure that pallet. We are running out of daylight. Secure that generator now. Pull tension on the straps. Locking it down. All green on this side. All right, team, push it up the ramp. Keep it centered. Steady left side. Watch your footing on the ice.
Confirmed, moving inside the bay now.
Keep it coming. Secure that tie down now. Secured, Sergeant.
Moving through the designated waypoint now.
Copy that. Watch the gradient on your right.
Ground team is clear of the vehicle.
Diagnostics show a drop in engine performance.
It's the cold air intake freezing over again. We need the de-icer mod installed. Ensure an even coat over the reactive armor modules. Roger that. Moving to the rear ballast now. Get that power coupling seated now. Torquing the armor bolts to spec. Status on the turbine modification. We need this ready by 0800.
Armor plating secured on the starboard side.
Check the engine seals for the Arctic kit.
Main cannon traverse looks good. Ready for cold weather ops.
Install the Nexus module and run the diagnostic scan.
Scan complete. Systems are green. Secure the transport straps.
Torque that bolt to spec.
Wiring harness secure.
Diagnostics complete. Systems look good for deployment.
Secure that connection point, Marine. It's locked in, Sergeant. Moving to the next sequence.
The environmental impact here is still felt today.
We achieved our strategic goals, but the cost to the landscape was significant.
This topographical view really highlights the scale of our operations in Greenland.
Securing this northern passage was critical.
Looking at this model, you realize the historical weight of what we accomplished up there.
Absolutely. Greenland is vital to Arctic defense, and we set the standard. Seeing these models really brings back memories of our time up north.
It highlights the importance of what we achieved there.
This sector was critical for the initial landing operations.
We held that line for 3 weeks straight. It was tough, but we proved the Arctic strategy works.
This exhibit really puts our time up there into perspective.
We built a significant legacy in Greenland, securing that territory for decades.
Greenland's strategic value is clear from these models.
The QF-16 ensures our dominance in the Arctic theater.
Satellite imagery confirms their movement south.
All units, push the advance towards waypoint 3. We need to secure that position by 0600 local.
Satellite imagery confirms heavy movement at grid coordinates B6.
They're mobilizing faster than anticipated. We need to adjust the deployment schedule immediately.
This anomaly in the Greenland ice sheet warrants immediate attention.
I agree. Cross-reference with the latest satellite imagery.
We need confirmation on those troop movements within the hour.
Intelligence confirms Danish naval assets are mobilizing near the Greenland coast.
How many vessels?
3 frigates and a submarine entering the tracking area now.
Get me eyes on that northern grid sector now. Satellite uplink is tracking multiple heat signatures moving south, Commander. Initiate the intercept protocol. All teams, move to condition Zulu. The uplink is stable. We have confirmation on troop movements across the Greenland command sectors.
Analyze the data stream for anomalies. We anticipate counter-surveillance measures.
Intel confirmed. We deploy immediately. All teams, move to the C-130s now. Let's get this loaded fast. Watch the clearance on the left.
Rolling forward, hold steady.
Secured. Ready for transport. Watch the clearance. Hold it steady there. Confirmed. Locking the chains and straps now. Secure that starboard chain now. Ratchet strap is loose. Tighten it up. All clear. Lock it down. All right, she's almost home. Keep her steady.
Watch that left track. Start the binders, get the tarps ready now. Check the straps one last time.
All secure inside. Pilot, we are ready for offload procedures.
Roger that, initiating ramp sequence.
Get those straps tight now.
Securing the front wheels.
Check the tension on that tarp.
Recoil system seated. Pass the torque wrench.
Setting to specifications now. Ready for final calibration.
Torque the muzzle brake to spec. Reading confirmed. Recoil system secure. Continuity confirmed on the primary line.
Secondary circuit is green. Power up the diagnostic.
All connections green on panel Bravo. Requesting authorization for power cycle. Stand by for command authorization.
Connections are green. Ready to seal.
Seal it up. Proceeding with the diagnostic systems check.